Hi everybody, how y'all doing today? My name is Ronald, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Windows 11. I'm not demoralizing the software. A lot of people think it's a great software, but I want y'all to hold up on it for a while until they fix the issues they're having with it. But right now, let's go ahead and get into my article here, which I will be adding that there on the all the descriptions, affiliated links, etc. in the description below, so I can go ahead and click on the sources, read it, understand it, and go ahead and make the corrections with y'all system so y'all won't experience this problem. Alrighty, Windows 11 is debuted on 10/5/2021 as a free upgrade from Windows 10. Now, before you go ahead and do that though, make sure you go into your BIOS to turn on the advanced feature to allow Windows 11 to be updated. Once you do that, make sure that your motherboard has a supported TPM 2.0 header on your motherboard, and once you go ahead and locate your TPM 2 header on your motherboard and go ahead and purchase the module from Amazon and Newegg, which I will be adding those links in the description below. Once you add that TPM 2.0 module, it automatically turns on the features for you, but make sure in BIOS you go to your advanced setting, and you can go ahead on, you'll see the 2.0 TPM header already advanced and already turned on. Now I will be adding links to that description in the description below. If you don't know where your TPM 2.0 header is located on your motherboard, I will be putting a video link in the description below, so you can go ahead on and watch that video and understand how to put your TPM 2.0 module on your motherboard, and go into BIOS and make sure that you see it in your advanced features in your BIOS. Now, as PC users around the world was upgrading to the new OS, AMD users were experiencing performance loss in all Zen processors, which affected the L3 cache and latency on the Ryzen's processors, lowering performance by between 3 and 5% for most apps and by up to 15% for some games. The fix can be found on AMD website, and the fix is AMD Ryzen chipset driver release note 3.10.08.506. The website link will be listed in the description below. What now? As I said all that, everybody around the world who are on AMD were experiencing performance loss into their system when downloading Windows 11. AMD came up with the bug fix to fix that. Everybody noticed the high performance back into their systems, and a lot of people are not complaining about using Windows 11. Now, what Windows 11 has to offer. Windows 11 brings balance to your desktop with its ease to use tools at the click of your mouse. Connect with Microsoft, allow you to talk to everyone at one time, whether you want to connect with family, friends, or conference calls. You can organize your workflow, keep everything in Windows, all on your desktop, so you know what you're doing, what you got going on, what tasks you completed, etc. And you can play your latest games with great performance. That's a good thing that gamers love the most, is that they got a new operating system. They can go ahead and play the games with great performance after the fix. Now, before the fix, they was experiencing loss on Ryzen's Zen processors. AMD came up with that driver fix, everything's perfect, but on the long stretch, coming up with a new operating system, you should not be experiencing no problems. But with Windows, and it happens with all of their operating systems, they had issues with them. The best operating system Windows had was Windows XP, which I think they should bring that back. But a lot of users still uses Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10. Now, just like I always said, if it's not broken, why fix it? A lot of people still use those operating systems as of this date in 2021. As we finna go ahead on the end of the year out. Yes, we are in November. We got one more month to go, and then we'll be into a new year. And my final conclusions on Windows 11. Windows 11 is here to stay, but if you want to upgrade to Windows 11, it is best to wait until they fix all the bugs and error issues they are having with their OS. It's a great software until Windows 12 make its debut to the PC world when that time comes. Yes, I said Windows 12. So we got Windows 11. As y'all know, Windows gonna keep releasing operating systems after operating systems after operating systems. So we got right now, we're losing Windows 10. A lot of people may upgrade to it. A lot of people may not upgrade to it. Just like I said, I have no issues with Windows 11. I love my Windows 10. And the reason why I'm not upgrading to it because I got to spend more money. I got to buy another motherboard because the Asus A320MK does not have a TPM header, but my ASRock A320M HDV version 4.0 has a TPM header. And with that said, I think Windows 11, my personal experience, I think Windows 11 may not be a good experience for me. You know, once you go ahead on and just like I said, if it's not broken, I'll fix it. And once I got used to upgrading all through operating systems, Windows XP, which I truly love. Windows XP can still be used for home office use only. For gamers, no, because Epic and Steam discontinued downloads for Windows XP, and it's just not worth going back to it. Windows 7, perfect, but as y'all know, they stopped updating their security features. But if you still want to use Windows 7, you can. Just make sure that you have a good security package that takes care of malware, viruses, etc. You can get that depth from Norton or any virus software program you like to use. With Windows 8.1, which I'm on, love it. Windows 10, great. Now I may update to Windows 11, but just like I said, I'm waiting for them to go ahead on and fix all the issues with their software and go ahead on and bring out more features with their software that they didn't add it on, which they are working on in the beta format. Now I'll be putting a lot of creators' video links in the description below, so you can go ahead and click on them, watch the video thoroughly, and I'm gonna give y'all PC users the opportunity for you to upgrade to Windows 10. Upgrade to Windows 11 or not. That's up to the PC user for their PC. But other than that, Windows 11 is here to stay. I keep saying Windows 10 because I love Windows 10. And I hate to see it go within 3 more years. Because we coming to the end of the year, and we'll be in 2022. Hopefully, that it brings back some balance for next year. You know, a lot of PC parts back on the shelves. More opportunities opening up for a lot of people who lost their jobs due to COVID-19, etc. And just go ahead and bring us a better, I hope it's just be a better year for everybody. So, like I said, Windows 11 is here to stay. Until they come up with Windows 12, which we know they're working on it, but they're keeping that a secret. So, and we'll see what Windows 11 have in store for us right now, all the way to 2022 and beyond. I want to thank y'all for watching this segment. Go ahead on and hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe for more content. Subscribe to my channel for more content, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.